Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edgy here. Got a knife unboxing. I was at the Tractor Supply a few days ago and found a Smith Wesson. Smith Wesson 605 black in the clearance bin for $7. So I picked it up and make sure I'm recording. Yeah, picked it up. I'm not sure exactly. Let's see. I wonder if it says $14.99 there at one time. I'm gonna try to scrape this off. Oh, here's some other Smith and Wesson knives I got. They're all right. They're entry level. You know, they're nothing. They're all right. These ones. I actually carried this one a long time. This was one of my favorites. But anyway, so I just sat these out because they're Smith and Wessons. They're somewhat anywhere. Usually they're like going to be between $10 to $20. So, but this one I seen on sale. It was on clearance for $7.49. I'm gonna take one of these knives, see if I can scrape off and see what they wanted for it originally. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I see a one. See a one there. Oh, maybe it was $14.99. Oh, wait. It said it was $14.99 on this sticker. So that it was $14.99 at one time. So that's probably what it was retail originally. So like I said, I got about half off. So, all right. So before I get any further, if you like videos like knife unboxings, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and we'll continue on with the unboxing. So anyway, so this is about half off. So pop it out. Already opened it. There's what it looks like. It's actually a nice looking knife. Got a finger choil right up there. Let me get a close up of it. I have taken it out and oiled it up and so on. I actually got it. Actually, it has the nylon washers, but I actually got it so it actually almost drops shut. I mean, that's pretty good for. I could flick it. It flicks better with the thumb studs that come out, and then almost drop shut. It has a flipper. The flipper don't. It's not. You have to do more wrist flick to get it to come out. But so like I said, it's a Smith and Wesson SW 605 black. So. Oh yeah, ring that bell. Let's see. So it kind of has a nice drop point. I know it reminds me of a Hinder knife, but I know it's not, obviously. But the way it looks to me, it has that. It just looks like it. The blade shape with that finger choil way up there. You can get way up on it. So I took it out, oiled it. You can see the nylon washers, so they're in there. So it's a open pillar design. It's a liner lock. So I'm gonna try something a little different today. So I have some foam paper. This is foam paper sharp. So you see that it could cut foam paper pretty good. So I got boxes right here. I'm going to shred through some boxes and just a few of them and see if it holds the edge. It's supposed to be 8CR, oh crap, I can't think. It's 8CR13. See, I mean, it's going right through there we go. Going right through the cardboard pretty good. No problem with the cardboard. So I have not sharpened this. I have stropped it. So I have stropped it. Strapped it. Let's try cut that. Oh. It might be getting a little bit more difficult to cut. I don't know. Maybe not. Let's do a few more and we'll go back to the paper. I guess depends on how it's like in the cardboard, and of course it catches on the choil a little bit. So, oh yeah, it's going through it. Still going pretty good. I don't know how many, 30, 40 slices already. So, all right, let's get this stuff out of the way. So, nothing. I mean, there's no torture testing right now. Speaking of torture tests, if you want to watch a good channel called New Age Tactical, right there, they're good. They really do some torture tests. Go to New Age Tactical. This is their logo. I'm gonna get the hat right, but you can see it. So head over there, watch their videos. They do a real good job of torture testing knives and stuff like that. All right, we're gonna wipe this off and see if this will cut through the newspaper or phone paper. It still cuts through that. Not bad. I thought I was gonna have to strop it, but it has like a hollow grind, so I think that helps with the cutting. Yep. You gotta like hollow grinds on knives. They really, even if a 8CR13 is not the best steel, but it's still, you can see the little bit of wear, and not wear, but you can see what I did just for that little bit of cardboard, and I'm sure it'll wipe off. Yeah. I'll wipe this off a little bit. Some alcohol on here. Oh yeah. Alcohol. Clean that right up. There you go. There's what it looks like now. Not much difference. Like I said, it's still cuts foam paper. Was this one shaving sharp? I'm not sure if this one's shaving sharp. Let's see if I can get it. It might not be shaving sharp now. Oh, there it goes. It's shaving. You have to put it down a little bit, but I bet if I strop it, it'd be a lot better. Again. So here, let's go to the site here. You can see it was at Blade HQ for $16.95. See, 8.5 inches, 8.25 inches long. Blade is 3.5. Cutting edge is 3.25 because you got to count for that finger choil right there. Oh, I'm holding on the wrong camera. It's this one. The finger choil subtracts about 1/4 inch of the blade. So, blade thickness is, it says 0.12 inches. And it's, of course, the 8CR13 MOV, and it has a hollow drop point with a hollow grind, black finish painted, plain edge, it's not serrated. I don't see. It had one review. Someone gave a 1 for it. All right, so that's kind of a little overview. I do like how Blade HQ. There's their pictures, but here's I'll do some size comparisons, but there's it with like a bottle cap, I guess, what it looked like. Let's come back to here, back to my camera. We'll do some size comparisons. All right, so let's get rid of this Smith Wesson. This is actually, I like this knife. I had this forever, but Stream Ops. But let's get a count of how big it is. It is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little 8.25, like I said. You can see the blade is 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4, 4 inches kind of, but the finger choil. So I'm pretty sure they said it was like 8.25. So, and this is only tip down carry. Some people like that. I mean, I almost did. I seen a one Tractor Supply for the Fort. I think it was on 14, and I didn't buy it because of the tip down, but I ended up buying it because it's $7. But when I carried it, it's not so bad tipped down when it has thumb studs, because you pull it out and it's not bad with I guess with thumb studs. But I mean, $14, this wouldn't be a bad knife to have. And at $7, you can't complain about. There's not really blade rock or anything. Here's the liner lock. And like I said, I oiled it up and I can get it pretty much drop shut. It just flies open with the thumb studs. No problem. How do you like this knife?
What knife?
Here, I'm going to toss it.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
I love this
She
knife.
likes the knife. What do you think about it?
Well, first of all, of course, I love the color.
Like the color?
But I like the feel of the stuff on the side. Feels
Yeah,
grippy.
Yeah, the black is actually grippy, and I think the whole all of
Feels
it
like a basketball.
basketball. It's a nice grip, but I think the whole even the blue feels a little texturizer, almost a grip on it.
It does, almost a little
Less
like
grip
fine
than the black.
grainy.
Yeah, I don't know, but the color is superb.
And the weight is perfect.
The way it's a nice. I got it. Flick it with the thumb studs. I got it really tuned in with the thumb.
That's what I did.
I mean, it's hard.
You know, I like
yeah.
Yeah, I like the way it looks. I like that the blade is black and it goes with everything on it.
Right.
If it was silver, it looks silly.
Yeah, it's just a good looking blade.
It feels good in
For
your hand.
$7.
$7.
$7. I mean, that was on clearance. Regularly,
This one is mine.
yeah, I guess so. I don't know. I don't hardly have no knife, so I don't know if I could spare one. But yeah,
Yeah, I like this one.
you like it?
Yep.
Yeah, there you got a good flick that
Oh,
time.
that's from this back thing.
Oh, you got the flipper. See, it's a flipper and a thumb stud, and it came. I did not sharpen that, and I did strop it, and it's pretty sharp. I mean, it's not quite fair hair shaving sharp,
Yeah.
but it ain't bad.
I like it. Oh,
Oh,
let me get it.
Reach it. She's gonna get that knife for me.
You want me to throw it to you?
No. Okay. That'll work, I guess.
Don't scratch it.
All right, here's the knife. So she give it. I don't know what kind of. You need to have like a stamp or something. Like a.
Well, I don't have anything bad to say about it, so if it's a 1 out of 10, it's a 10 for me.
She give it a
Because
10.
I don't have any bad things to say.
Well, I mean,
Well,
a 10. I can't. I mean, for price point, $7. It's a. I don't know. I don't want. I never give anything
me
a 10.
Personally, why don't you give stuff a 10? I mean, if you have zero bad things to say about it, if you don't have any improvement comments, why wouldn't you give it a 10?
Well, I mean, because the one thing I would say, I like tip up carry,
Okay,
but-
so that's what you like.
but
So that's why you wouldn't give it a 10.
right. So, but I mean, I gotta factor in the price. Yeah, I gotta factor in the retail price. If it was $14 or $15, I'd say it's an 8. Well, I don't know, 8. But if it's $7, like I bought it for, I can give it a 10 because it's a freaking superb deal for it. But you're gonna have to get lucky and see it. You might find a Tractor Supply in their bargain bin. You might not. So I don't know. But my wife gives it a 10. She gives it a
Because I
10.
don't have anything bad
She don't
to
have
say
nothing
about
bad to say about
I
it.
like the way it feels. I like the weight of it. I like how it is in my hand.
You-
I don't have any complaints about
You know what? If I compare it to other Smith & Wesson knives I bought, I would give it a 10 too, because this is one of the best Smith & Wesson knives I bought.
it. Uh-huh.
I mean, compared to the other Smith & Wesson knives I bought.
Right.
So, if you're comparing, I guess you got to compare apples to apples. Compare other Smith & Wesson knives with.
Correct.
So, I would have to give it a 9 to 10. But I when I put the oil on well, there's where I'd go to 9 because they are nylon washers. They could be it'd be better if it was bearing. But then the more you put bronze washers in it, then the price goes up.
For $7?
Right? What do you want for $7 to $14? So, all right. So there is it. Just how I could flick this open so easy, and it came pretty sharp with the hollow grind. Yeah, this is a pretty good deal. If you see it at Tractor Supply, you better pick it up, because if I see another one at Tractor Supply for $7, I'm gonna be buying them. I'll probably buy it. Well, if I seen, I'll buy. I don't want to say I buy all of them, but I'll definitely buy a couple more if I see them for $7 and give them for gifts. I don't know. All right. I guess that's all I have to say about this one. It did a little, like I said, did a little torture test. Not torture test, but if you want to see torture tests, watch New Age Tactical. But little light duty, cutting some cardboard, and then went back to the phone paper, and it still cut it. I think that's with the blade geometry with that hollow grind. Yeah, I'm sure the paint will wear off like this one did after use. Here's this. I'm sure it's with the same paint, and it'll wear off like this one probably did. But I but for $7 to $14, you can't go wrong. All right. I will catch you all guys. Catch you all later. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. And see you later. Bye.